Question 9a1. Define the term industrialization. It is the process of establishing manufacturing industries. Question 9a2. Name a town in Kenya where each of the following industries is located. Motor vehicles assembly is Nairobi, Mombasa and Thika. Oil refining is in Mombasa. Export processing zone is Athi River. Question 9b. Explain 4 causes of the decline in the textile industry in Kenya. Large-scale importation of second-hand clothes has reduced demand for the locally produced textile products, as the second-hand clothes are cheaper than the locally produced new clothes. There has been a decline in the production of the cotton, which has led to limited supply of raw materials for the textile industry. Believe that imported garments are superior to locally produced ones has reduced demand for local garments. Decline in the economy has discouraged investors who would set up textile industries in Kenya. Mismanagement of textile factories has led to the closure of such operations. Question 9c. Explain 4 factors which influence the location of iron and steel industries in the Ruhr region of Germany in the 19th century. Availability of coal from the Rhine Valley provided raw materials needed in the industry. Rivers Rhine, Ruhr, Leib, Wupper, and Emscher provided water required for cooling machines in the industry. The region is served by navigable rivers such as River Rhine and Ruhr, which provided cheap transportation for the bulky raw materials and finished products. Coal from the Ruhr region provided power required in the industry. The local population had acquired skills on ironworking. That formed the foundation of iron and steel industry. Presence of rich companies such as NIP, which provided capital for the development of the industries. The dense, affluent population in the Central and Western Europe provided ready market for the iron and steel. Question 9d. Show how industrialization can lead to environmental pollution in Kenya. Chemicals from industries are discharged into rivers, thus causing water pollution. Industries emit gases such as carbon dioxide and sulfur oxide, which pollute the air. Dumping of industrial waste into land leads to land pollution. Noise from the industrial machines can cause noise pollution.